Hey, this is Medic Mark coming to you from the bunker system located underneath the Artville, found somewhere in the jungles of the Midwest. And today it's Medic Mark reviews power tools. And today's power tool to be reviewed is a backpack commercial vacuum cleaner. That's right, I blew my wadded. Oh, that doesn't sound right. I spent a lot of money and bought myself a commercial backpack vacuum cleaner. And I'm going to review all the positives and if there's any negatives. First, before you use any power tool in your arsenal, in your bunker, you'll have to put on your safety equipment like me, Medic Mark. Make sure you put on head protection and eye protection to protect yourself safely when you turn the thing on. Anything can happen. Just put... That's right, even safety stuff can make you unsafe. That's right, okay. I feel much better now. It only passed through the side of my eyeball, went into my brain. It's not an issue. Okay, oh, didn't I mention I have records to share also in this segment, some records. So those of you that have gone away already, you've missed the records. This is awfully heavy. Okay, what are some of the stories I'm going to talk about today? Well, when I went looking for records, I stopped in the St. Vincent de Paul, and occasionally they have food items they just give away. Today I got a loaf of free bread. That's right, loaf of free bread from the St. Vincent de Paul's, and some records. And what else is going on? Oh, we're in the beginning stages of, finally made the phone call. Professional heating guys coming over. You know, you say to yourself, Medic Mark, why do you do everything yourself? Well, I don't. I actually called somebody. It took me 2 years to work up the nerve to call somebody. I think I could put it in myself. I could put in a geothermal unit myself. All I have to do is dig a hole in the ground 150 to 200 feet. Now, I don't have a drilling rig, and I wouldn't, blow the money to go rent one, so I would have to do it with a garden spade. Dig a hole 150 feet, 4 of them. Never mind. You're just being silly. Anyway, I called a guy. He's going to come over and he's going to talk to me. And he's already got ideas that I don't have that seem reasonable. See, I don't even want to go into it. I'm just going to keep you posted. Okay, geothermal, just keep that. Everybody says good things, and then there's some people like, well, so-and-so put it in, and it doesn't seem to work, and they don't like it, and but you don't have any idea why. Even the heating guy I talked to today, he came recommend, was like, yeah, I'm trying to fix this one, and but he's done 3 of them in my area, and he seems like a down-to-earth guy. So he should be very afraid of coming over here to the bunker system to meet me, Medic Mark. I said, well, I live in a house with a spiral staircase outside to nowhere, and there was a dead air at the end of the phone. This is heavy. I should just keep these safety glasses here. Never mind that. Okay. Oh, I actually have to review the frickin' vacuum cleaner, don't I? I almost forgot. I haven't done that. Okay. Here it is. I'm just going to hold it up. There it is. It's a commercial vacuum cleaner made by who? Super Coach Vac. Super Coach Vac. It's the kind I've used before on the industrial commercial applications. And I wonder one from home why, because you have the shop vac and you have the upright vac, and both of them leave you wanting for mobility. That's why I broke down and I wanted something that would suck really good. Okay, so I got this, and okay, what you do is you just put it on your back, and there's the straps to keep it from falling off you. And one of the cool things is that it comes with a really long effing cord. So here, the Artville, which is not a mansion, not even a McMansion, but not even an old-fashioned mansion, it's just a small house with a 50-foot cord. I can plug it into the center of the house, and I can go all over to every room without ever unplugging the cord, okay? So it really speeded up the operations and everything, and it comes with you, so it's not like you're dragging it. And okay, now the thing of it is the wand deal. All right, I brought this down. This This is one of the attachments with real lifelike hair on the end of it, with the hole, the real lifelike hair and the hole. I was going to test it to see how it sucks down here in the bunker system when I'm home alone. It's powerful, but it's really hard because you have to bend over real far to get the attachment to the floor. So it's like you're bent over at a 90-degree angle. That aside, it's got a lot of suction power. Now, the drawback is that some people just aren't going to like it, having the thing on their back. That's all. It's a little bit heavy. If you got any shoulder or back problems, you're probably not going to like it. But if you don't, and you're young and healthy like me, Manic Mark, it's great. It saved a lot of time. Okay, now I'm going to put my free bread down somewhere else, and hopefully I won't forget it. Just take another drink of beer. From the 50-cent bin at Half Price Books, it's a 10-inch Royale Lonnie McIntyre Hawaiian Quartet. Almost everything on Royal was stolen or thrown together. I mean, it's almost always horrible. 99% of the time, it's not good. But they had this place called Design Studio, and their artwork sign, they did really nice, graphically appealing covers. This one in 2-color. Most of them were. This is a nice 2-color cover. Okay, we're just going to leave it at that. This one is Remington, which I've never heard of that. Remington, 1951. It's even got a date on it. Another Royal, Polynesian and Hawaiian music. They could be the same Lonnie McIntyre. This seems to be later. It's still a 10-inch, but the cover stock's thinner. And it's a little bit more glossy. Anyway, Design House, once again, Design House, 2-color cover. Who knows who played the music? Anyway, sometimes if you look at the record, Jane Foreman. It's another Royal album. This might be okay because it's got singing on it. At the place where I got the free bread, I Love You. It's Billy Vaughn. But it's the singers. It's him with the singers. So it's going to be like heavy-duty, easy listening. Oh my God. The Mood Music Sampler, Trans World, another super budget album. But I like the quality, even though the cover's kind of worn. It's only 33 cents. I like the graphical quality of the cover. And this I picked up just because I like the bold image on the cover of people ice skating. It's put out by Somerset, and it's for ice skating rinks. Made just for ice skating rinks. But they shot this right up her little ice skating outfit. Oh my, well, it's this I had to Half Price Books, still Half Price Books now, we're back. I had to pay $7 for this. It's a command, and they don't usually, but I haven't seen this one. It's a Dick Hyman, but he does Brazilian impressions with his piano. That's what he plays, and woodwinds. I just thought that could be full of really good stuff. Command was a great label. All right, go on. Albert Spalding. Ooh, Albert Spalding, look at that cover. Oh my God. It's just not going to be any good. Albert Spalding. What does he do? It doesn't even say. Spinorama, music from films. Fortunately, there's no spy films or anything on here. Not that I know of, but I don't have it, so I picked it up. Cavallaro, factory music, more factory music by Carvalaro. Carmen, that's right. I couldn't remember his first name. But that's a fabulous cover, which I may or may not have. I can't remember. But I had to pick it up just in case. Latin Favorites, I'm sure I've gotten rid of this one too. I probably should, now that I remember it, I think I had it and it wasn't any good. The cover's not good. That's on Halo. It's another not good Halo cover. Harry James, a Seal Harry James. This has got a groovy 60s cover on it. Interesting, fine. Rural Rhythm Masters. The Mountaineers with Morris Herbert. J.E. Mariner and Morris Herbert. That just could be fun. That could be great fun right there. And how many copies of this do you have, Manic Mark? The Exotic Sounds of the Surfmen. Well, probably about 6 or 7 now. But I wanted to save this from being destroyed because it's just like new. It's just like new, and it's a really good Somerset album. this is a great cover. It's just a great cover. It's sort of an abstract. It is abstract, not sort of, it is. But Footlight Favorites from Behind the Iron Curtain. What, are you kidding me? How much better could it get? When you add that onto it, that title, Waltzes, Polkas, and Production Numbers from Behind the Iron Curtain. Okay, on Coliseum label out of New York. Moments of Inspiration. Okay. Moments of Inspiration through Chalk Art and Music is a ministry combining the talents of Charles and David Sign, father and son, Trudy Sign, chalk artist, and Mary Lynn Nice, piano. There she is, the chalk artist, and there's Miss Nice with the piano on the album, the back of the album, Moments of Inspiration. And last but not least, just because they were on the bottom, these two came off of eBay from a single seller. It's Rafael Colam, Para It, Luce Perez, Y Su Orquesta, which means orchestra, yes? That's a nice cheesecake cover, but wait, there are two records in this plastic. I'm going to flip it around. Apparently this one, he said, was in poor condition, so I don't know what to expect. But I had to have it just because of the cover art. Oh my God, look at that. She's holding a meringue pie. I think that's what that's supposed to be. Nobody ever makes meringue pie like that. I have no idea. Well, she's like, I'm going to throw this at you or something. Anyway, who knows? All right, go right to the... I hope this video was informative.